Hello, teacher. My name is David Alvarado. I am the number three for the list. I am going to explain about the power supply. The power supply is an instrument electronic which used to generate voltage and current to a circuit. It is very important element in electronic because helped charging batteries, laboratory experiments, and others.
Hi, my name is Leonel Cantillo and I'm going to talk about the magnifying glass. A magnifying glass is a tool that helps you see a small fig bigger. It's like a lens that magnifies the image of what you're looking at. You use it, for example, to read a small letter or the observe detail in a component. It's very important for seeing the code of a very small component.
Hello, my name is Isaac Isaguirre. Next, I will talk about the multimeter. Okay, it's a measuring instrument that can measure multiple electrical properties. It helps in identifying if a circuit is working properly or not. Factor: voltage measurement, current measurement, continuity testing, display, accuracy and precision, and automatic range adjustment.
Hi, my name is Marcos, and today I'm going to talk about soldering iron. Soldering iron is an electrical tool used for join components with the electrical circuit. This works when the tip of the soldering iron is hot and this melted the tin. The soldering iron has many characteristics. For example, has a design is comfortable and the tip and you can change, and it's a interchangeable tip, and that can range 15 watts to 100 watts, and it has a adjustable temperature and range.
Hi, my name is Gabriel Abad, and this time I'm going to talk about the heat gun. The heat gun is a tool that is really efficient in the electronic area because this one can remove the small components that are in a circuit board and also can solder it. This is possible because the heat gun works with high temperatures. This temperature is enough to melt the tin that are in the circuit board. But we need to be careful when we are using this kind of tool because this tool emits high temperatures that can damage the devices, the circuit boards, the components that we want to remove. And also, when we are using this kind of tool, we can burning our hands, burning our fingers, etc. So we need to be careful when we want to use this kind of tool to avoid accidents.
Teacher, my name is Emmanuel Garcia, and I will tell you about the inductance meter. The inductance meter are using in electronic to ensure that inductors that have the correct inductance value for a particular circuit or application. This meter have a plastic housing, LCD display, and test proof. They are also used for electronic component testing, circuit design, and circuit troubleshooting, and quality control in manufacturing. Thank you. Hi, I am Jose Yepes. I'm going to talk about electronics tool, specifically electrical tape. Electrical tape is a type of tape used in electronic to insulate, protect electrical connections and components from material and contaminants. It can also be used for color codings, repair damaged wires, building wire for organization, among other things.
Hi teacher, my name is Alberto Hernandez and I'm gonna talk about an anesthetic ribs strap. This tool is very useful and helpful to prevent any kind of static electricity from electronic components. So also it's an essential tool to do any kind of circuits, and that's all. Bye.
Hello, my name is Bárbara Briceño. My number identification is 298737376. I want to tell you about my tool. My tool is pliers. It has various tools for to writing or holding a small article. It can use to blending or cutting wires. If I have a wires, I can to use the tools for cutting this wire. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Roxely Duque. My ID number is 28370 An oscilloscope is a device used to measure and display electronic signals graphically. It can be used for signal visualization, analysis, circuit testing, and waveform generation in electronics. Oscilloscopes help to identify signal characteristics, distractions, and abnormalities that can affect electronic circuit performance. This oscilloscope has a display, it has analog channels and boards for measurements.
My name is Salome Castañeda and my number list is H, and I will tell you what reward is. Reward is a tool used in electronics to prototype circuits without soldering. It's used for circuit designs, educational purposes, testing components, and experimentation. Breadboards allow for easy modification and adjustment to circuit designs, hand-on learning, and quick assembly or disassembly for circuits. They are useful for hobbyists and professional and come in different types.
Hi teacher, my name is Jaymar Mora and I'm going to explain the electronic instrument, a hot glue gun. This instrument is a handled tool used to dispense hot adhesive glue that is widely used in electronics for various purposes. It works by heating a solid glue stick and melting it to a liquid form, which is then dispensed through a nozzle on the gun. Some common uses of hot glue guns in electronics include component mounting, cable management, repairs, and insulation. It is a versatile and widely available tool that can be purchased in various sizes and types. Thank you for the attention.
Hi, my name is Maria Montes de Oca. My ID is 30,956,531. I'm going to talk about the wire stripper. The wire stripper is a tool used to remove insulation from the end of an electrical wire without damaging the conductor. Here are the main parts of wire stripper. Handles. It is the part of the tool that you grip. They are usually made from plastic or rubber for comfort and grip. Blades. The sharp edges that cut through the insulation. Notches. These are the specific openings in the blade designed for stripping wires insulation. It is used in electronics for preparing wire for circuit assembly and repair. Wire strippers ensure good electrical connection and reliable circuit operation.
Hello, my name is Jesus Osorio. I'm going to tell to you about a solder smoke absorber. A solder smoke absorber, also called a fume extractor, is a tool used in electronics to remove the smoke and fumes created during soldering. It is important to use it because soldering produces harmful fumes that can be dangerous in health. It also helps to improve visibility by clearing the air and keep the work environment clean by preventing residue from settling on surfaces.
Hello, my name is Miguel Chen. Today I'm going to talk about the alligator clips. And they are versatile electrical connectors with a spring-loaded lever that makes them to open and close, which allows them to grip onto any terminals or wires. They are covered in an insulating material for protection, and they are used for measurement, temporary connections, power supply, and signal tracing. You can find them in a variety of sizes and colors, and they can easily be purchased at any hardware store or online retailers. Thank you.
Good night, my name is Daniel Machado and I am going to explain what is a capacitance meter. This device is an electronic instrument that can measure the capacity of the capacitor, checking the condition to the component. This device has a commutator switch or select switch in the center that has the function to selecting the corresponding measurement scale. It's necessary to calibrate to zero before to taking the measurements with this potentiometer or zero ADJ or zero adjustment. The measurements must be done respecting the polarity of the capacitor if it has one. They are two types of the capacitance meter, the digitals and the analog capacitance meter. In this case, this is a digital capacitance meter. It has a yellow protected cover, has a LCD or liquid crystal display, has a commutator switch or selecting switch, has a zero ADJ or zero adjustment, has a three electrical terminal, the positive and negative terminals, and has two test cables or test tips.
Hi teacher, my name is Jesus da Silva and I'm going to do the presentation of the oral presentation. Okay, we with my partners and me we'll talk about the tools of the internet use and the at work. Well, tools, equipment and electronic devices are crucial to repair and maintain the electronic systems of aeronautical equipment. As engineers, we also use them to create new systems and update existing ones. These are also used in test equipment to guarantee the safety of electronic systems present in all systems, equipment, devices, and aircraft within civil aeronautics.
Hi, my name is Heike Osman. I'm going to talk about the wire wrap tool. The wire wrap tool is a specialized device used in the wire wrapping technique, which is often employed in electronics to create connection between components on a circuit board. The principal purpose of wire wrapping is to make reliable, long-resistant connection without soldering. How to use a wire wrap tool? Number 1. Prepare to wire. Cut the wire to the desired length and strip small amount of insulation from the end, if necessary. Number 2. Insert the wire. Place to strip it and of the wire into the stripping tool. Wrapping tool, sorry. Number 3. Wrap to wire. Position the tool over the terminal or post that you want to connect to, and switching the tool handle. This action reaches and the wire around the post, creating a secure connection. And the last number 4, check the connection. Ensure that you wire that simply wrap it and securely connect the post. In conclusion, each and every one of the tools helps an electronic engineer to carry out his duties correctly. Beginning of great use the support in the face of the operational safety demand offered by civil aeronautic. That's all. Thank you for your attention.
Hi, my name is Oriana Chan, and I'm going to talk about a helping hand. It's a tool used in electronics and graph work to hold materials in place while soldering, gluing, or working on other detailed projects. The helping hand, also known as a direct hand, soldering hand, or extra hands, is adjustable that provides extra support and steady hold. Thank you.
Hi teacher, my name is Elimar Fagundes. I'm the number 1 activist and I'm going to talk about soldering paste. Solder paste is mainly composed of an alloy of microgranulated. This will help us to have precisely access in the most difficult areas to solder. This paste also allows for better control during the soldering process and reducing the risk of over or under soldering. It helps also to keep components in a place, removes impurities, and create a clean surface for the solder to bond to. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Samuel Peña. I'm going to talk about twinser and twinser on precision twinser in an essential tool for handling small and delicate components like resistors, capacitors, and microchips. This twinser allows for precision gripping or paid parts. They are difficult to manipulate with finger, reducing the risk of damaging component on the circuit board.
Soldering wire is a metal alloy that is melted to join electronic components together, creating reliable electronic connections. It is used for soldering components onto printed circuit boards, repairing damaged circuits, wiring connection, and creating custom cables. It is an essential tool in electronic with different types of soldering wire available for different applications.
Hello teacher, my name is Vincenzo de Lucia and I'm going to talk to you about the oscilloscope. An oscilloscope is a measuring instrument that allows electrical signals to be displayed in the form of graph. Its main function is to show how the voltage of a signal varies over time, and which helps to analyze characteristics such as amplitude, frequency, and waveform. It is widely used in electronics, engineering, and circuit diagnosis.
Good evening, my name is Vidalci Rodriguez, a student of ET83T1, and today I'm going to talk to you about the screwdrivers. Screwdrivers are manual or powered tools that are used to turn screws, and those are used to assemble and disassemble different devices. They can be electronic or not. They have about 6 different types of screwdrivers, and those are flathead, Phillips, Posterior, Torx, Robertson, and Allen.
Hi, my name is Brian Perez. I'm going to talk about the digital caliper. The digital caliper it's a pretty useful instrument because it's used to make straight measurements due to its accuracy. The digital ones are usually has several functions. This allows to the people to measure external, internal, and depth lengths. If you see the images, it has the internal jaws, the external jaws, and the depth measuring blade. That it's the ones that allows the people to do the measurements.
Good afternoon, my name is Luis Yepes, ID number 3772930. I'm going to talk about jumper wires. Jumper wires are wires used to connect different parts of an electronic circuit together. They are commonly used to prototype and test circuits on a breadboard without the need for soldering. They are also used in circuit debugging, connecting components, board-to-board connections, etc. They are a versatile tool in electronics that allows for quick and easy connections and troubleshooting.
Hello, my name is Michelle Boada. My ID number is 31,203,929. I am going to talk to you about the soldering pump. And the soldering pump is a tool used to remove solder from electronic components or circuit board is heard. Remove components safely without damaging the circuit board. Repairing broken connection on a circuit board and salvaging components from or broken electronics. It requires some skill and practice to use correctly, and it is to follow proper safety procedure to avoid injury or damage to your electronics. Thank you.
And my ID is 30,003,081.30. So, today I'm gonna talk about magnifying glass. What is a magnifying glass? A magnifying glass is a tool very common actually, not only for electronics. I think all the people know what is a magnifying glass, but basically it's a tool that makes things look bigger, right? That is basically what it is. So it has like a round length and look like a piece of glass, and you can hold it, and when you look through it, things look larger. What is important of this tool in electronics, specifically talking? So is some components are really tiny and it has writing on them like letters and numbers, and we need to know what is writing on them to know what is the information about this component. That's like one of the important things to see with the magnifying glass.